Hey guys, today I'm going to make some roasted tomato avocado toast. So let's get toasted. I have this big heirloom tomato here, so I'm just going to use that. I'll cut a couple of thick slices off of it here. Fairly thick, about like that. Alright, I'll use the rest of that tomato for something else. I'm going to cook these tomatoes in my toaster oven in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. So I put a little bit of avocado in the bottom, oil in the bottom of the pan so they won't stick. And I'm just going to put a little bit of kosher salt on them. And just a little bit of this seasoned pepper. I usually use Johnny's seasoned pepper, but I haven't been able to find it lately, so I don't know what brand this is. I got it at Smart and Final, I think, First Street. That's okay, but not as good as Johnny's. And then just some grated Parmesan cheese. And I'll get those into my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll get these tomatoes roasting here. While my tomato is cooking, I'll cut up some avocado here. Hopefully it's right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And I'll just cut this into slices. It's been about 10 minutes, so let me check on my tomato here. I think that looks pretty good. I don't want it to get too mushy. Now I'll toast a couple of pieces of bread. My tomatoes are looking good. I got my avocado slices on my toast there. I guess you could mash them up if you wanted to, but I just did it in slices like that. And I'll just put tomato on top of each one. These are looking good. I'm just going to top them with a little bit of green onion just for a little more color and flavor as well. This will probably be a little bit messy to eat, but let's give it a try. A little messy, but it's good. With the tomato roasted like that and then the Parmesan cheese on top, it tastes kind of like pizza. Those would be nice in the summer when you want something a little lighter and you have lots of tomatoes. Be a good thing. So that's pretty simple to make. You just slice up the avocado, and I cooked the tomato for about 10 minutes and toasted the bread, and really can't get too much easier than that. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys.